Okay, this is a small little street called the Beco de Sa Francisco. I think Beco is mouth in Portuguese. So we're gonna walk down that one and then I'll show you all what's in this alley and all around it as well. So stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's Beco de San Francisco, and right at the base of it we have a little shrine, which is kind of cool too. So this is kind of zoom in a little bit. So, and we're gonna just kind of go down it, and I'll show you the context as well. I think it's going to be quite small. So let's just kind of go down, and then we'll show you what's behind me as well. So we'll go down first. If it keeps going, I'll be kind of surprised but you got some beauty in here. Some plants, washing machine, whole apartment I guess, and it keeps going down. Okay, so yeah, there's actually more to this alley than you'd think. I think it goes all the way around like that. Let's just kind of follow it through. Okay, you got like all kinds of stuff in here. Apartments. I guess they leave their doors open. Most of the alleys in here have their doors open. To see, this looks like it's either a restaurant or it goes into another alley. It's a restaurant. That's the back side of a restaurant. So you got, this is the end of the alley right here. So this is little Beco de San Francisco. So it looks like at the end of it there's a kitchen. There's some kind of supplies and things like that. If you go up, there's lots of apartments. There's a rooftop there. Looks like they got like some kind of sun guard. That looks like an apartment building because there's mailboxes in there. You got chairs out here. That's kind of cool as well. So you got places to sit. You got beautiful flowers and plants everywhere, including these ones. That's beautiful. And you go all the way up and you got apartments. That's nice. Actually, might be a shop right there. There's a lot of stuff hanging in there, but I'm not 100% sure. And we're gonna come back out, so and then we'll show you where we're at, exactly where this alley is located. It's this tiny little alley. A lot of these alleys have little shrines in it, so this one does too, which is always kind of nice to see. That's our street sign right there. And right at the entrance, you kind of come out into this area right here. So we'll give you a little context of this area as well. And over here is Travessa dos Anjos. So maybe a lot of you are familiar with Travessa dos Anjos already. So this one is a Street of the Angels right here. And I usually film and walk down this one all the time. There. So Travessa dos Anjos is this street with a butterfly that starts out. And then that's our little alley right there. And let's just kind of show you a little bit more before we go. There's bus stops. So right at the heart of this and this is a lot of bus stops right here. So everybody's waiting in this space right here. So you can kind of put everything into context. So there you go. And I think you can also see some casinos here. So way down there you can see casinos, MGM and I think Venetian is down there. So let's just kind of fade out a little bit. And now we have Travessa dos Anjos right here. And then we have our alley right there. So we're gonna end it right at that spot. Alley to the left, Travessa dos Anjos to the right.